What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we are going to go over Thursday's game plan. Do me a favor before we start this. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way, you stay on top of these dynamite plays that we throwing out. We got some data tomorrow. I think 8:30, we got something that comes out. And then at 10 o'clock in the morning, we sit back, we wait patiently. We wait for a clear direction, and then we pounce on that thing. Newbies, beginners, y'all come up. First ticker up is going to be Walmart. Guys, we're sitting at 87.20 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 87.50 get taken out. They can take out that. Next level up is 87.70. Next level after that is 87.90. They're trying to get to this area at 88.30. They break through that, they can keep running higher. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right in here get taken out at 87.10. That'll start the drop till you got 86.85. You got these bottoms right in here at 86.60. Ultimately, they trying to get down to this area right here, 85.95. They break through that, they going to start trying to pull this thing down to this area up in here at 84.80. We'll handle in real time if that happens. Next ticker up, Palantir. Guys, Palantir tomorrow might be a little roller coaster ride. They're going to follow. If Nvidia's pumping tomorrow, they're going to have some sympathy pump. If they're dropping tomorrow, then expect this one to pull back as well. Palantir sitting at 61.30 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this shelf level right in here get taken out at 61.60. They can start taking out that. You got this area right here at 61.90, and boom, they trying to run it back to 62.40. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 61.10 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this area down here at 60.75. They break through that. They're trying to get back down to this low at 59.95. We'll handle in real time if Palantir start knocking down those doors. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here, this shelf level right here at 61.65 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this area at $62. Next level up will be 62.40. Ultimately, they're trying to get right here at 63.10. They break through that, they can start running this thing higher. Last but not least, ENPH. You see these guys are running up. They're at 63.50. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 64 even get taken out. They can take out that level right there. Boom, you got 64.55 on deck. You got this little turbulence up in here at 65 even. They can break through that. They coming back up to $66 before they try to make their next run up. Expect some issues once they get to that point right there. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this shelf level right here at 62.90 get taken out. They can take out 62.90. You got these little peaks right here at 62.45. Next level down, you got 61.75. And then you got this area right here at 60.95. Ultimately, they trying to get down here 59.65 before their next. Expect turbulence right there. Once they hit that area, expect the bulls to try to bounce that thing back. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come to the table. We got QQQ. First ticker out of the gate. This was a Discord request. Requested that I add this one or keep this one on. Here you go. Don't act like Fresh don't hear you. I hear you. I see you. We out here. I got you. They're sitting at 503.20. If you are a bull, what you want to see is these tops right here at what we at 503.50 get taken out, and then these tops right here 503.95. They break through that, they ready to head to the next level. And I told you guys before, they get going, they can boom this thing back to 507.70. That'll be an area of interest that I'm paying attention to tomorrow. They break through that, you got 508.35. So they can really get going. I just want to see what happens there. I'll update in real time once they start violating those areas. We'll call the shots at that point. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right in here get taken out. You got 501.30. They break through that. You got this 499.65 area. And then you want to see these bottoms right here get taken out. 498.40. They break through that. You got this stuff here at 496.50. And they lose that. Boom. You coming down to 492.55. We'll handle QQQ in real time once they start violating those areas. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. All right, guys, and Tesla's sitting at 342. If you are a bull, you want to see 342.70 get taken out. They can take out 342.70. They coming back to this stuff right here at 344.40. They break through that. Boom, you come into 346.55 before they try to shoot this up higher. I can tell you now, 348.55 is going to be heavy level. Once they start hitting those areas, expect some issues. I would almost even say expect some issues. Once they start tapping on 346.40 and they're not able to break through that, expect them to come back down right there. There you go, to the upside in Tesla, to the downside. You want to see 341.10 get taken out. They can take out 341.10. You got this level at 339.75. Then you want to see these bottoms right here at 337.50 get taken out. On a downward push, they're going to try to push this thing to 334.30. We'll handle Tesla in real time once they start taking out those levels. Last but not least, we're going to throw SPY on the map. And guys, again, you already know with SPY what we do. We walk SPY down. We follow that play and we kill it. So if you are a bull, you want to see 490.75 get taken out. They can take out that play right there. Boom. We got 491.95. They break through that. Boom. 593.10. Next level up from there is going to be 594.35. We'll be grinding that out tomorrow. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 589.80 get taken out. They can take out that right there. You got this stuff up in here, 589.20. Ultimately, they trying to get down to my level at 588.30. They break through that. Opens the door back up for 585.90. It was a fun ride today. You see, they boomed this thing up. They dropped this thing all the way back down. They ran it up. They chopped in here. And I think I had a level, I think I said 587. If you in calls, you are good up into 587.05. If 587.05 start getting violated, then you need to come out of those calls right there because it's going to get ugly afterwards. As long as they hold that level right there, stay in those calls and you see what happened, man. And that's one thing that I am going to touch on here in a little bit, but patience. Patience is everything in this game. If you don't have patience, you're going to lose a lot of money in this game. All right, I want to cover one last ticker on here because they did have earnings. Here we go. I'm going to cover Nvidia. We're sitting at 143.80 in Nvidia. If you are a bull, you want to see this area 144.50 get taken out. If they can't take out that area right there, for starters, we coming back down. If you start seeing 143.20 to the downside get taken out, this little turbulence up in here shouldn't be no problem for the bears to get through. This is the one you want to pay attention to, 142. If they start losing 142, boom, you coming down to 139.90, and it can get messy after that because we already know what Nvidia is supposed to do. Everybody thought that they were going to boom this thing. We was going to be looking at 160, 170, 180. Not saying that it can't happen, but they going about it in a slow approach, which leads me to believe, just my speculation, this is not financial advice, this is just me thinking out loud, that they gonna come down. Wall Street, they know how to play games with us. We very well may be seeing 160, 170 tomorrow. So, we very well may see 120 tomorrow. You never know. Wall Street love playing games with us. So we just got to sit back, let them play their games. But we are better than that. We ain't going to fall for their games. We are going to pounce when the time is right. So that's a little bit on Nvidia. But again, being patient definitely pays. And I got a message earlier today from H Will 50. D-Fresh, you the GOAT, bro. I was down on my SPY play about 30% and was about to get out with a loss, but I thought D-Fresh is for real. So I trust your level and boom, up and out with profit. You truly a blessing, bro. Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you again for, trusting in your boy levels and trusting me and allowing me to be part of your trading journey. I'm honored for that. I'm only giving out levels. I'm giving out areas of interest to respect. I'm letting you know if you in calls to get out here, or if you are in puts, this area right here, they're gonna boom it at. I'm giving you areas of interest to respect. You have to press those buttons. You was able to hold out and be patient, and you was able to get out and profit. Champagne bottles in the air for you. I applaud you. Good stuff right there. So, and guys, you already know in the Discord, we out here. I threw a play out there, SPY, holding above 586.90 break. We got 587.20 attempt. Heavy level, and then 587.55. Guys, you see us throwing that hat down? Boom! You already know what time it is. We knocked it out of the ballpark. SPY 588.10 is now in play. Let you guys know, we done already got past that heavy level. 588.10 is now in play. Then I told you, 587 break leads us to the 588.10. And this is where patience come in. We got that run up, and then what happened? The Bears, Wall Street was trying to fake us out of our play. So I said, you know what? Let me calm my community down and just let them know. SPY, Bears are trying to run this back down to test 587.25. Bulls need to bounce it there to continue the ride up. They cannot lose 587.05. It gets ugly after that. So SPY, remember, if you are in calls, 587.05, we get rid of those calls right there. We repivot, we find another entry. I said that can change the game short term. And what happened? We never violated 587.05, and we ran that thing down. And what happened? Boom! That was the results. The results of patience is this right here. Look at this. Man, we went crazy right here. And if you take it back to the charts in SPY, and I said 587.05 was the get out spot. They gave us a good scare. They ran that thing all the way back down to 587.10, and then we chopped a little bit. We came back down. They gave us a scare to 587.20, and man, what happened? Boom, we went on the road. Boom, we riding. Boom, we ran that thing up from 587.10 to 590.70. And guys, you already know I'm here to celebrate with you guys. Congrats to all that stayed in them calls, because Bears never broke down that 587.05. When you know, you know. Boom, that's what we doing. If you trust your boy, I got you. We out here grinding. We throwing these levels out. We knocking it out of the ballpark each and every day. But again, once you have patience, this is the results. Boom!
Expect anything different?
Should never expect anything different. That's what you should expect when I'm calling out these plays right here. Trust your boy. I did the homework. I'm out here. I'm not going to put it out. Sometimes it takes me a couple minutes to get that message out, but I'm not going to put it out if I don't believe in it or if I don't trust it. So if I'm putting it out and you seeing it and you able to read it, know that these areas have been tested. I know we're going to get some flux right whenever it hit. If it hits that area, I know it's going to get a bounce back up, or if it hits the ceiling up here, I know it's coming back down. So the thing you need to have is patience. Patience is everything in this game. If you don't have patience, you're going to get smoked out of a play, and what's going to happen is it's going to come down. You didn't have no patience, or you didn't have a plan in the beginning of the trade, and you didn't have an area of where you wanted to get out at. You just seen the red candle coming down and was like, man, I got to get out of this play. You sell. What happens after you sell? Let me know in the comments below what happened when you sell. What happens after you sell? boom, it goes in the direction that you wanted it to go. It happens every time. So have patience, have a plan, stick with that plan, and make money. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.